Ano tawag niya? Walk southwest. Careful, the magic to engage, okay? You listen, Puppets in the church. Clear the mobs first, clear the mobs. Clear the mobs towards west. Careful. They might try to bomb. Listen, come northwest.
Lumalabas ah.
Got you. Slowly walking. Careful on the west side. Any guys on the west side, okay? Slowly walking. You understand we're gonna do shallow, okay? We're gonna hit shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Come back fast. Just come back. You don't need to overextend. Just play together for now. Hold now. Yo, listen, Papa's in our church, actually. Papa's in our church. Listen, kiss a business guy. Listen, walk. Careful. Western 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Western now. Hit the shit. This is fight. Come east. Don't overstand. We play together, boys. Come back. Heal up. Heal up the front. Hold. Papa's in our church, boys. Listen, hold now. Hold, got you. Spread. Come north side. Walk me north. Keep walking north. Come
Guys.
Come on. Yo, play together. Stay together. Please. Don't go overstand, okay? Listen. Hold me now. Listen, we can hit shallow again, okay? Listen, hold. Come back. Just don't overcommit, okay? Just don't overcommit. We play together for now, okay? Listen, spread. Hold. Listen, walk. South at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You hit the southwest now. Hit the southwest now. Come on. Just don't overstand, okay? Listen. Walk together now. Walk together. Play inside. Yo, play inside. Come on. Walk north. Kite north. Listen, you pressure against the side. Walk northwest. Listen, help southwest. Listen, you come northwest. Walk me northwest. Hold now. We gonna turn southwest again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the shallow now. The depth attack. Listen, walk southwest. Walk northwest. Pressure against the side. Just walk together. Hold now on me. Listen, come back. Full come back. Careful. He left the front. Listen. Walk. South. Okay, south. Just walk for now. Give me guide now. Guide at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You guide us out. Shallow. Just on the top. Just on the tip. Come back. Play the inside. Help the fast. Don't leave the front. Listen. Hold me. Yo, come back. We're gonna turn west at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Within west. It's all of them. Damage. Nice it. Yo, listen, come back. Pressure against side. Push us. Listen. Heal up. Walk west. Pressure them down the west. Look at the choke. Give me guards. Listen, hold. Don't commit. Hold. Come back. Heal up. Listen. Western in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Western now. Western Jordan. Listen. Yo, come back.
Shorties na, main Zerg.
Yo, listen, walkies. Just cut together. Listen, pressure against the side. Yeah, you play together, play inside. You play inside, boys, don't overextend. You play inside. Keep walking east now. Keep walking east. Listen, they get a turn soon. Listen, hold it now. Defense. Listen, Otobos again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Otobos now. Do you have damage here? Listen, walkies. Yo, listen, keep fighting this, keep fighting this, cut. Robes na if you have, Rob does you, Robes, Robes if you have, listen, you guard those. Keep walking southeast, keep walking southeast, spread. Engaging now, push it out. Listen, direct out, Thomas again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, everything we've got to Thomas, Listen, damage, just pull up, just pull up.
Wala damage. Damn.
Pull up.
Nakapas tayo ng damage.
Yeah, save your sets, boys, okay? Just run. Ulit ako par. Run.